I am going to show you how to post a video without downloading them, and it shows the person's credit under it. This is only on X. Now to do this, let me go ahead and show you the sample of the one I just did. This one right here. You can see that. And also, if you go to my profile area, I have reposted other people's video. You can clearly see the difference. And that one also. But you see this one, how it looks like it actually includes the person I reshared it from. So all I'm going to show you is how to do this one right here. Now to do it, go to just about any video or any picture that you want to reshare that on. Now, if you see that, click and hold. Now, when you see this option that says post a video, now you hit on it. Now you say, all right. So once you're done, you hit post. Now, when you hit post, allow it to post. Once this has completed, it is going to display on my profile or on the home page, and it's going to display showing where I actually posted that video from. Hold on, it's still loading. All right, so it is successful, and you can clearly see where the video was posted from. So that is all I want to show you. So I hope it's helpful. If it is, smash like and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next video. If you have further questions, leave it on the comment. Stay safe and peace. Share this with your friends also.